I walk alone as nights go by. Each drop recalls thy tender name, a whispered love, a fading flame. The streets still hold thy silent trace. In every tear I see thy face. Time may pass, yet truth remains. Love once born there dies and reigns. Parade and memories fall on me. Wash my wounds, yet set me free. If love was writ in destiny, let rain remember thee with me. Parade in memories soft and slow, teach my heart what it must know. Though thou art gone, one truth I see, rain still weaves thy love with me. God of morn, what we once were, two beating hearts, one whisper forever. Though seasons change and vows decay, my soul still calls thee in the rain. If heaven keeps what earth must lose, and keep thy smile, thy gentle truth, I'll bear the storm, I'll bear the plain, for love still lives in foreign rain. Oh, rain and memories, hear my plea. Keep our memories.